Miss Emma, how are you today?
Good.
Good. I'm Hema from Vital Energy Wellness and Rehab Center. We have an integrative therapy center, and Miss Emma came to us, what, 2 months ago?
Yes.
With the problem of belching for many months. What, 6 months or over?
Yes.
But that was not the only problem Emma had when she came. The belching had led her to have an increased blood pressure, and she had a non-stop hiccups, and the gas in her body had built up so much that her blood pressure shooted up, and she had a mini stroke and she was hospitalized. And when she was discharged, she came straight to us because she already had a prescription to come see occupational therapist, that's me, Hema, to get myofascial release treatment. And what we discovered that helping her release all the diaphragmatic muscles and chest muscles and her upper back muscles, her lower back muscles. We released the tension. We used the crystal myofascial release treatment. And then we started teaching her the yoga breathing exercises, which helped to move the distended gas and have a freedom of breathing with using all the diaphragmatic and sternocleidomastoid muscles, and then we have progressed you to the exercises. So tell us about your journey and the message you would give to the local people.
It's been a blessing. I had a very bad problem with short of breath, belching continuously for the last 6 months. I mean, I just couldn't stop. All day and all night, even in our sleep. My husband was complaining about he can barely sleep at night, and we found this physical therapy, and since I've been coming here, as we speak now, I'm not belching. I usually belch between each sentence, but with exercise and the therapy that I'm doing here, I feel a whole lot better, 100%. You know, my belching probably come once or twice, maybe, throughout a week or day or two a week. But other than that, at night I sleep straight through.
And you can do all your home
work. I can vacuum now, do dishes. I can even cook.
And you can drive.
Yeah, I drive the physical therapy every Tuesday and Thursdays, and I feel great about it.
And we are discharging you to go and work out at the normal gym now, right? And you and your husband are already starting that. So good luck, and I'm glad that we had the opportunity to work with you.
Thank you.